Hello dear students. Today we are going to now start with the character questions on My Son's Story. And the character that we are going to talk about now is Will. Will, as you know, is a very important character in My Son's Story. As you know, he is the chief narrator. He is the character as well as the narrator. So both the voices of My Son's Story are represented through Will. Another important thing for you to remember is that his name is named after the famous writer William Shakespeare. So it is a short form of William. And his father wants to make him a writer. So, though he is the youngest character in this novel, his contribution as far as the story is concerned is the utmost. I believe you could start your answer focusing on this aspect of Will. So when you are planning to write an answer, this is how you should most probably like to make a beginning as far as Will's character is concerned. Now let us also look at his age. As the novel opens, he is a teenager and he is in a state of adolescence. He is also one of the characters who suffers the most in this novel. Number one, he is in adolescence. That itself is a phase where a person is in a transition. You are neither an adult, you are neither a child. So already your mind is not totally developed. And in this situation, if you face such kind of problems which are connected with, on one side, apartheid, on the other, his father's relation with the white woman, that is Hannah Plowman. As the novel opens, we see that he discovers his father. Discovers his father means he discovers his father in a relationship with the white woman. And this suddenly turns his world topsy-turvy. He's disturbed and he too is caught, we know, but he's more disturbed by the fact that he's found his father with this woman, and he keeps brooding and thinking about that, and he's reflecting, and we see that the story gradually moves into the using the flashback technique into the past. So we realize that this boy is really an immature teenager. Now you could also focus on Will's journey also, which is from an immature teenager to a mature adult, because as we reach the end of the story, he has moved into manhood because he's about to complete his graduation and he's become a writer. So the entire journey is a journey of evolution, progress, growth. In this perspective, we are going to take a look at his character. Now, as I said, he's immature and he's also very unstable. However, the good aspects of his character are that he's very good in his studies. So he is a brilliant student. That is the positive aspect of his character. Even if you look at his childhood and his relations with his father, mother, sister, he creates a good impression on everybody. He is a child whom everyone loves because he's the youngest in the family, and he is also good in the studies. He's a scout. So those are the other dimensions. So basically, if you look at his character and if we are taking different adjectives to describe him and his personality, it is going to start on a very positive note. But as he enters adolescence, as he faces the turbulence in his life, we realize that certain aspects of his character are negative. He has bunked his classes, he has gone to the cinema hall to watch a movie, and he has told a lie to his mother. These are, of course, you can say the pranks which the teenagers play, but nevertheless, I believe it's not a very positive trait in his character. But because he faces a greater problem, that is encountering his father in a relationship, that turns everything in a different direction, and we realize that he has started reflecting. There is a seriousness, but gradually the admiration he had for his father when he was a young child, his father used to help him in his studies, in many other things. Even when his father was involved with the resistance movement, and he was given chances to deliver speeches, somehow his father's image was growing, and his father was more like a hero when it came to the resistance movement. And though the family was suffering because there were trials, he was detained in the prison, there were problems, yet somewhere the father image was not negative in his mind. He did not, regard his father as a negative person. On the contrary, his father, as I told you, had a heroic stature for him also. But the moment he finds his father in a relationship with a white woman, his attitude changes. And gradually we find a dissatisfaction growing in Will's mind. And that affects his personality. Another very good quality in Will is that he is a very keen observer. He's observing everything around him, and he is also an intellectual. Just as his father was an intellectual, he too, though he doesn't read that much as his father used to, but he has the ability to observe keenly, which is of course a trait of a writer, and he is also reflecting a lot, thinking a lot. Now coming to the other aspects in his own life, if we look at it, then he's not as committed as his father. If you look at his relationships with the girls in his life, then we realize he is not dedicated or loyal to the girls. His father, in comparison, is more dedicated. When it was the relationship with his mother, he has been a very good husband. And when it comes with his relationship with Hannah, his father is very dedicated in his relationship. But the son is a flirt. He has the first girlfriend whom the relation is only for a week, and he very conveniently forgets about her. Of course, the second relationship with the little girl proceeds longer, and in fact he even lets his mother meet the girl, and there seems to be more harmony in their relationship. But as I told you that Will is not that stable and he is more confused, so even this relationship doesn't proceed very long. And as we are reaching the end of the novel, there is another girl in his life, so he is not a sincere lover. I believe he doesn't understand what love is at this phase, as far as this phase in his life is concerned. And the way he reacts when his mother becomes an activist, and prior to that, when she was there and he was taking her out when she wanted him, he even starts suspecting his mother that and there are calls for his mother, that his mother might be having an affair with someone else. And then when he discovers that is not so, and his mother is also an activist, that is a shock to him. So his perception is very limited, and he is, as I told you, seeing life, understanding life, is growing. So I believe you can analyze his character in that light, and you can talk about his journey and how things become stable and how he reacts to his father's dealing with the situation when his house is burnt. That too somewhere I think influences him, provides him an insight into the strength of his father. And we know that his father, when his mother was involved and was interrogated by the police, there was a point he even wanted to kill his father. So there is the anger also in him. So these are certain aspects of his personality which you need to look at when it comes to the character, as far as the character of Will is concerned. So I'm sure students, you'll be able to handle the character of Will, the most important character in my son's story. Thank you.